The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 is back, and it's making a bold statement in the world of performance sedans. Welcome to CarScope, where we explore the most exciting cars hitting the streets. And today, we're diving into a legend that has been reborn for the modern era. This isn't just another sedan, it's a muscle car disguised as a daily driver. Blending raw power with sophisticated design. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. Chevrolet has done an incredible job of paying homage to the original Impala SS 396 while giving it a fresh, futuristic twist. The front end is wide and aggressive, with a bold black mesh grille featuring the iconic SS badge front and center. The headlights are sleek LED units with a distinctive light signature that gives the car a modern edge. The long, muscular hood flows seamlessly into sharp body lines, while the flared wheel arches house stunning 20-inch performance alloys. Around the back, you get a subtle lip spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and taillights that nod to the Impala heritage. While embracing 21st century styling, under the hood is where the magic happens. The 2026 Impala SS 396 comes with a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V8, delivering an impressive 485 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing lightning-fast shifts and an exhilarating acceleration experience. The result? 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. The exhaust note is deep, throaty, and absolutely intoxicating, just the way a muscle sedan should sound inside. Chevrolet has gone all out to create a cabin that feels both sporty and premium. The seats are finished in high-quality leather, with red contrast stitching and SS badging, offering the perfect balance between comfort and support. The driver gets a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, a massive 15-inch infotainment display, and all the latest tech, including wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system that makes every drive a concert. There's even a performance data recorder for track days or spirited backroad runs. But the 2026 Impala SS 396 isn't just about speed, it's loaded with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning all come standard. And thanks to Chevrolet's magnetic ride control suspension, the car adapts instantly to changing road conditions, offering a smooth, comfortable ride during daily commutes and sharp, precise handling when it's time to have fun on the road. The Impala SS 396 feels like a perfect blend of muscle car aggression and modern refinement. The steering is tight and responsive, the brakes are powerful, and the chassis feels solid and planted even at high speeds. Whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking twisty roads, this car inspires confidence. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 isn't just a comeback, it's a statement that American performance sedans are still alive and kicking. With its aggressive looks, powerful V8, cutting-edge tech, and comfortable interior, it offers the best of both worlds. If you've been waiting for a sedan that can thrill you on Sunday and take you to work on Monday, this is it. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to CarScope, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the most exciting cars on the market. The new Impala SS 396 is a reminder that legends never truly die, they just come back faster, sharper, and stronger than ever.